So here we have the BMW 218i on a 65 plate. So I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see that it's a two-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area. First, as we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space available there as well. You can increase that by folding down those rear seats should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the right-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the left-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 47,806. You can change the information that's displayed above that for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information by pressing the button on the end of the indicator stalk. We're back out to the steering wheel. We have a speed limiter, phone and stereo controls as well. Over into the centre next to the main screen for the vehicle. So the movement, first of all, that you see me making on the screen is being done using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial and the collection of buttons that surround it, so you can go into any of these menus directly. For example, I could go into satellite navigation, and as you can see there, this is BMW's business nav. Really nice clear colour display, very easy system to use. Otherwise, what I'm doing now is being done using the dial. We can go into the telephone menu, where of course we can pair up our phone. Once we've done so, we can make and receive phone calls. We can also stream our music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. We have an auxiliary input and USB input. Of course, we have the CD player, which you saw a moment ago, and then FM, AM and DAB radio. So loads of ways to listen to your music in this car. Under the vehicle information tab, we got vehicle status, where you can check certain things, including whether or not there is a service required, which on this car there is not, as you can see. That's all up to date. Working our way down, we have the main volume for the stereo, the CD player, and then our climate control. So you can adjust the direction of the air, the temperature, the fan speed up and down. You can determine, as I say, the direction the air is being distributed. And once you're happy with that, that's your air conditioning off, back on again. If we hit auto, the car will take control of this and the fan speed to maintain the temperature you've asked for. And of course, once it gets there, it'll adjust the fans accordingly. You can override that whenever you wish to. We have two cup holders, a 12-volt charging socket, the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. We can turn off our traction control and change the driving setup of the car. So you're able to put the car into Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort, which is for everyday driving, and Eco Pro as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.